Hey everyone, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude here. I'm in a Toys R Us in Edmonton, and holy cow, they've got the Apatosaurus here. Look at that, it is $90, but well worth the size of the flipping. It's just huge, massive, absolutely enormous figure. Lots of cool articulation, so it's finally out here in Canada. We also have another new release, this little Toro figure, and look at that neck. Oh my goodness, it's so thin. Like those little chomps, that's cute. Those little eye blinks. Really adorable, but $40 is slightly overpriced. I mean, it's $30 in the States, so that's just $10 more. So it's not too far off from the original price. But yeah, it's a really cute figure. And it's got like that kind of snout damage too. And the head is rubbery, which is interesting, and so are the teeth. Very adorable figure, even posable arms. Still got the mosasaurus, still got all of these little attack packs, and the savage strike or whatever they're called. Still got plenty of those. The new wild packs. Also, what we have new, Amber Collection Ellie and John Hammond. Holy cow, they're really neat. You can see the little baby there in the egg. He's got his staff, his cane. Ellie comes with the walkie-talkie and this cool belt. So yeah, no, I'll probably pick these guys up sometime. Pretty neat that we finally have these, but we don't have the Dimorphodons. I don't think we're getting those. The Spinosaurus somehow went up in price. That's pretty weird. Still got the Stomping Rex, and then loads of the electronic. So I'll be hitting Walmart next. Stay tuned for that, guys, in the next video. Also lots of the old humans on clearance for $6. So yeah, hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye-bye.